welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a room tour by the title of the video. I haven't done a room tour in literally ages. I have changed my room up a bit. I don't know if you guys have noticed in the vlogs, but my room has been changed a little bit. Like moved things around. Eventually it will be painted. Once that happens, you guys will get a final updated room tour. But for now, this is going to be what it's gonna look like. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Give a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos because you'll get a lot of vlogs and everything coming more. If you guys like this video, I just felt like sitting on my floor and filming the intro, so enjoy the video. Let's get on to the room tour. So starting off, when you come into my room, you will see this door, which looks like that. Then you'll see my lights, some plugs, this dresser, which will go through after, some Jonas posters, more posters. I need to change some of these pictures. This is Star Kid, Nick, and then my coat rack, which I keep my coats and my most used purse, which is a coach bag. And if you guys want to update what's in my purse, I'll be glad to do that because I love those. Next, you come here, you see my dresser. This is a dresser I used to have in my room, but then I brought it downstairs and now it's back again. I really don't have much in it, but it's there because it is a TV stand now. So then you have my bookcase, which has like my most books, Pride and Joy books. You got my bed, which I did change my bed. As you guys can see, it doesn't have that white thing anymore. This was my grandmother's frame, and now it's my frame, so the frame changed, not the mattresses that much. And then you have my makeup storage because we didn't have a place to put it, so we put it here, and it's used as a night table. On top you have my phone, my iPad, and just the snacks that I had the night before. I was so hungry. So then you have my headboard, which I love this headboard. The only downside is that it's hard to like lean back. Yeah. But for the most part, it's a great headboard because it has lots of storage, as you guys can see. So I got my little like plug thing here that I plug multiple things. Like I charge my Fitbit, extra chargers for when I go in the city stuff. You got like makeup thing, case for makeup wipes, which I don't really use though. Glasses, holder, I got my remote control. And then you got another cabinet. Basically, there's not much in these cabinets. I just keep like wires and things that I can grab easily. Tissues, which I need. My iHope, which I use a lot for like just for the time. And I just have extra things in here. And then over here, you got some more posters. And then you got my famous canopy thing that you guys seen, but now it's like gonna be better to see in the backgrounds. Then you got my exercise thing that I use for my scoliosis. I have talked about before my scoliosis video, so definitely go check that out if you want to know more about it. Then you have my chair. I got this chair at IKEA. If you guys want it, I will definitely list it down below. If I can find the right one. It was $200. It is a wing back chair, and I love it. It's so comfortable. I love sitting down. The stool is actually an old stool that was my grandmother's aunt or something, somebody like that. It's for the family, and I just need a stool because it would be like extra to buy, and so this is already from home. So I love, like, as you can see, I have my computer already there in it. I have this like pillow from like a while ago, but I felt like just keeping there because it's comfy. And yeah, so yeah, this chair is great. I highly recommend the chair in your room. It's great for like back support. And then you have air conditioning, but I think by the time you see this, probably won't be needing air conditioning anymore here in New York. Then you have my dresser, same dresser, nothing changed really. Just like a bunch of stuff on here, and then like the wall things, nothing has changed really there. Then you got my vanity. And you guys know my vanity, I will just kind of show you guys. Used to be over there. The bed used to be like down this way. And like the vanity was there. But now the vanity is here. I figured because of the lighting with the window, I thought it would be good lighting. It's like okay lighting. So yeah, so I will definitely can do a what's on my vanity video if you guys want. This is just what I keep here. I'll definitely film like what's in my vanity if you guys definitely want that. Like I said, yeah, this chair, I'm gonna get a new chair eventually, but for now this works. Bunch of stuff like my camera stuff, garbage pail over here, and then you got just like a bunch of wires and things and extra things in that thing. Then of course you got my lens cap, got the mirror, my mirror that I use for like close-ups and stuff for putting on makeup, and then you have my camera charger because I charge my camera in order to film this. And so like you have a bunch of random stuff in here. Makeup brushes, hand sanitizer, my everyday makeup, this is where I do it. And then I have pens in this one, so it's like the other one of these. So cause that like came together. I do have a video on, I did get the brushes, so if you guys want to check that out. And then over here I do have my little stand for sometimes when I do certain makeup videos. I do have a stand to help me with that, but I might not because now I have the vanity here. We'll see if I still want to use that. My closet, I'm not going to do a closet tour or anything because it's really like not organized to its needs, but yeah, this is just my closet. And then of course you got famous Nick Jonas, of course my cardboard cutout, or my friends will call him Creepy Nick. So that's that. And then you got my VIP in the tour. I met Jonas. Insert picture here. But yeah, then you got my laundry. I know it's full. I gotta do it. And that is my room tour. Okay, so that is my room tour. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for when the new and updated room tour comes, because that hopefully will be eventually on this channel. But we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Again, subscribe, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have an updated room tour. I would love to watch it. And yeah, so I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.